Hey guys, so I just got the new iPhone 16 Pro, and this is actually my first iPhone in about 15 years. I had the very first iPhone back in, I think it was 2007, and I also had the iPhone 4, I think it was. But pretty much since then, I've just had Samsung phones. And then last year I got my first Google Pixel phone, which is a great phone. This is the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and this has been an awesome phone. But a few months ago, I got my first ever MacBook Pro, which you can just see over here. I got it to do my video editing work on, and I've fallen in love with it. It's such a great computer, and it got me thinking, like, what would it be like to have an iPhone as well and sort of be a part of that ecosystem? So I went out and I pre-ordered the iPhone 16 Pro. This one is the Desert Titanium in the 256 gigs. So let's unbox this and then we'll get it set up. And I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along and experience it with me. I'll be setting this up as a new iPhone user because I obviously haven't had one in a long time. I'm going to set it up from scratch. I won't be transferring anything from my Android phone or anything. I just want to start fresh. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so here it is. Wow, that's a really nice color. On camera, it looks really pale, but like almost white. But it's like almost like a rose gold. So you can see we have our buttons here. I guess this is the mute button and the volume rocker. And then we have our SIM card tray here. So we have the camera control, our power button, and then on the back we have our cameras. And we can see here we have USB Type-C and we have speakers. We'll put that aside for a second. And then in the box, we have the SIM card eject tool and we have our USB Type-C cable. And that's a nice braided cable as well, which is good. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that is in the box. Okay, so we'll choose our language, which is English, and I'm in Australia. Appearance, choose how you would like the text and icons to look. I'm just going to go for default for now. I'm sure we can customize all this later on. Quick start, set up without another device. So I want to set this up as a fresh phone because I haven't had an iPhone in a very long time. So we're going to set up without another device. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm going to continue. You can set up this iPhone for yourself or for a child in your family. Okay, I want to set this up for myself and we'll do Face ID. Okay, use Face ID with mask. Nope, I'm not wearing a mask. Okay, so now Face ID is all set up. Continue, put my passcode in. Transfer your apps and data. So we can do this from Android by the looks of it, but I don't want to do that. I just want to start it up fresh. So I'm going to go don't transfer anything. And I do already have an Apple account because of my MacBook. So I'm just going to put that in. Okay, and then we have terms and conditions. Update your iPhone automatically. Future software updates will be automatically downloaded and installed for you as they are released. You can manage this. Yep. Turn our location services on. Set up mobile transfer from an iPhone. So I'm going to set this up later in the settings. And I don't have Apple Pay yet. Screen time. iPhone analytics, light or dark. I usually go dark, but I might just do it on light for now. Silent mode, you can toggle silent mode on and off. Okay. Action button. So I'm guessing that's that one right there. Press and hold to turn silent mode on and off. You can also customize the button. Okay, we'll just leave it at that for now. Camera control, which is this one here, that's your camera control. Okay, yeah, we'll set that up.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine.
Sure. Okay, not now. Swipe up to get started. Okay, and we're in. Okay, so, all right. So now I guess I just need to sort of learn how to use it, learn where everything is. And then I want to customize it. How do we change backgrounds? Edit. Oh, okay. Customize. Okay, so that's to change the color of your icons. Okay, well, anyways, I'm gonna play around with it and learn how to use it and set it up a bit more. So that's pretty much it for this video, but make sure you hit that subscribe button because as I learn to use this phone, I'll be sharing tricks and tips because I love like customizing and learning how to use my device to the best of its ability. And I also have a mouse phone case coming, so I'm gonna do an unboxing on that and show you what it looks like with this phone. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.